Shortly says hello, right. If you come closer, right. That push is too long, by the way, but it doesn't matter. I'm a great believer, never cut. It's like your hair. You can't glue your hair back on. If you've got hair to glue back on. Right, I've marked this post at 30 inches, roughly, 3 feet and 42. I want in that 3 feet because this is gates. They're going to be 11 feet wide, so quite big gates. Now, that's a 4x4 post there. I've managed to source these 5x5 posts, and I've tidied them up a bit and dressed them up. You see, but that bit will be in the ground and you'll not see that. Right? So you come here and see what we've done. Oh, and by the way, that was a good video yesterday at Letty's Seat. Chris, great wee guy. Chris, don't answer them. See the comments, pal. Don't even give them the courtesy. See the dafties. There's dafties out there. Doesn't matter what you post or say. They're looking to criticise everything. Just ignore them. They'll go away. They're dafties. Don't answer them, Chris. Because I don't. I just like them. Because they don't realise they're putting my viewing figures up. The dafties. Anyway, see what we've done there. We've brought the concrete here. This is out this here. Plus bucket over there, but see there, right, we've dug this here out, down the side of it, right, and then we've slid the post out, you see what I'm saying, right, so that post there, right, so see that post there, right, there, it's been 23 inches in the ground, 22 and a half actually, for there to there, they've had it 20, so we've went so far, 28, but we need to go 3 feet with this or more. So now that we've dug down the side of it, we've got the post out, we can give this somewhere to go now and we'll break that and that'll fall in there. And this is the trick. See, when you're trying to dig an old post out, don't get right into it. Go back and go to the start, come to your softest area. It seems a lot of work, but it's actually no. You come to the softest area and dig down the side of it and dig right down. Get your scissors and right down. And you'll lift it all up and lift it out and get it down the side. And then that way you can break the concrete into that and that side. Then once that's done, then you just shove the post there. Now see this now, I'll break that and that'll fall in there and no bother. And honestly, that's the way it is. It's as easy as that. And I'm telling you, don't listen to me. Please listen to me. And that's where I've got to get my wee plug in for the by-election, the 16th of October. Listen to me and we'll do the right thing. And I spoke to another supporter this morning. They come up and out the blue at 4 Hill Shops. I'm supporting you, Willie. I'm voting for you. So without any prompting or any annoying them. It's a good feeling that people come up actually complimenting you, show their solidarity to you. So there you go, folks. You know what I'm going to do. I'll put the tape there and I'll go like this. Oh, and hello to me, Amy in 4 Hill Shops. A lovely wee lassie from Ibo we met this morning. We did that. A lovely wee girl. Okay. She's all there, folks.